you can streamline your whole entire life in less than 1 hour a day? The answer is the Flylady system. We're going to break down the Flylady system into 3 different parts: routines, zones, and focus. These 3 different parts are going to be your bread and butter. You're going to streamline your whole entire life with this one system. And I'm not just talking about cleaning. I'm talking about everything. Okay, let's start with the routine. First, we're going to start with the routines. The routines will be broken down into 3: morning, afternoon, and evening. We're going to start with the morning routine. In the morning, when you first wake up, you're going to want to make your bed. Once you make your bed, you're going to feel so productive and ready to tackle on the day. Next, you're going to want to get dressed to shoes. Get ready to tackle the day by getting dressed to shoes. This also includes light hair and makeup, brushing your teeth. If you shower in the morning, be sure to do so now. Everything that entails getting ready to tackle the day, you're going to want to do it right now. Don't forget your shoes. I don't wear shoes inside my home. I have these special house shoes that I do wear. I got them on Amazon. But if you want some house shoes for free, just take some shoes that you don't wear and wipe down the soles and boom, instant house shoes for absolutely free. Next, if you're already in the bathroom, you're going to want to do the swish and swipe. This entails wiping down your sink, your bathtub, and your toilet. If it's the first time you're doing this, it's going to take a little bit. But if it's not, if you're doing it every single day, and you will be doing this in 2 minutes or less every single day. Next, you're going to want to unload your dishwasher. If you have a dishwasher or a dish rack, now's the time to unload it. Be sure that you're starting fresh your new day with a clean slate so that you can put all of your new dishes in. After this, you're going to want to start a load of laundry. Doing a load of laundry every single day keeps the laundry monster away, or Mount Washmore, as the Flylady likes to call it. Start your load of laundry now. Do not delay. So that way you can implement it smoothly throughout your day. Later on, I'm going to talk exactly about how to do that. So be sure to stick around. Next, you're going to want to check your calendars. Check your calendar so you don't miss anything important that you might have to do. This will not only help you streamline your life, but it will help you achieve all of your goals as well. Finally, if you have a control journal, now is the time to check it. If you don't, you might want to check out this video here because it is a total game changer. Make sure you got all of your ducks in a row. Now let's move on to the afternoon routine. Okay, so for the afternoon routine, it's super duper simple. You're going to want to ask yourself, what's for dinner? If you already meal plan, you're going to make this super easy and quick by just following your meal plan. But if you don't, take a minute or two to think about what you're cooking for dinner and get prepared to take out the ingredients needed, or you can even start dinner if you so wish to make things even easier for later. After this, you're going to want to drink your water. If you have a hydration goal for the day, you're going to know if you need to catch up or not. If you don't have a hydration goal, I really suggest that you get one. Fly means finally loving yourself. So please also make sure that you are staying fully hydrated. Okay, so you asked us for dinner, you drank your water. Next, you're going to want to change your clothes from the washer to the dryer. If you have a dryer, now's the time to change it over. If you hang your clothes, also take this opportunity to do so. You're going to want those clothes dry before the end of the night. We certainly do not want to forget them in there, so do it now. Next, you're going to want to move your body. Move your body for 15 minutes a day. The Flylady has it for the afternoon, but I'm pretty sure it's no problem if you move it to the morning, evening, or whenever you're used to exercising already. Either way, you're going to want to move your body. Finally, you're going to want to declutter for 15 minutes. Okay, so that's it for the afternoon routine. Let's move on to the evening routine. In the evening routine, you're going to want to clean up after dinner. Next, you're going to want to write your to-dos. You're going to want to lay out your clothes the night before. Lay out your clothes, your keys, your purse, and everything you might need for the next day. In order to do this, you're also going to want to check your calendar. Be sure you're checking your calendar as well as the weather. That way you can select the appropriate clothes for that occasion. Also, be sure you have everything you need as well. Put them in one area so that everything will be together for the next day when you wake up. Next, you're going to want to do a 2-minute hot spot. And if you don't know what that is, I will link a video relating to that. And then you're going to want to shine your sink. Finally, you're going to get on ready for the day. Take off your makeup, take your shower, whatever it is that you do in the evening. Put your clothes away or put them in the hamper if they're dirty. Get on ready. And finally, very important, very crucial, get to bed at a decent hour. Yes, this is a part of the Flylady evening routine because once again, Fly is finding loving yourself. It's not all about cleaning. I told you, this system will streamline your whole entire life. Just to quickly recap, if we're counting, the morning routine is only 25 minutes. The afternoon routine is about 15 minutes and the evening routine is 10 minutes. Totaling up to less than 1 hour a day. It's another day now. Mom life. What are you going to do, right? Just go with it. But before I get into the special hack about clothes that we follow in our home, I would like to announce that I do have merch now. Be sure to check it out, but only if your budget allows. Please do not go into debt for this or anything else, and do not cause your family financial stress. If you can help support me, that would be so awesome. As you know, I'm not yet monetized yet, but you can help to change that by sharing this video and hitting the thumbs up if you did enjoy what you saw. So go check it out if you do feel that. So I will leave the information down below. And now let's move on with the bonus if you pick out your children's clothes as well. My toddler is to a point where he likes selecting his own clothes, so I give him a choice of 2 items. But you do whatever works for you and your family. However, if you do this, it will save you a significant amount of time in the morning without rushing about. And if your children are to the point where they select their own clothes too, you can still do so without feeling rushed or running behind. So be sure you practice these tips. If you want to know more about this Flylady system, check out this playlist here. It's going to tell you everything you need to know. And I'll see you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.